Very cheerful morning, happy morning to all my little angels. How are you, my dear students? So, vacation got over. Now, back to our studies, isn't it? And you have learned the alphabets in your HKG class, no? That is a small alphabet as well as the capital alphabets. It's a small recap, my dear students. And along the alphabets, we will be learning the vowels as well as the consonants also. So, are my dear students ready to watch a small interesting video on alphabets? Okay. So, are my dear students ready with their textbooks? And now we will learn chapter 1, that is the alphabets.
Read these letters: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. When written like
These are the capital alphabets. When written like this, they are called capital letters. जब इस तरह से लिखा जाता है बच्चों, they are called capital letters. Okay. Now we will watch how to write small letters.
like this, they are called capital letters. Now read these letters. When written like this, they are called small letters. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. You begin your name and surname with capital letters. The other letters in the name are small letters.
Overall, students, there are 26 letters in alphabets. When written like this, they are called small letters, and when they are written in this form, they are called capital letters. You begin your name and surname with capital. Suppose I say Shivani Mishra, so you will write as capital, Mishra am also capital. You begin your name and surname with capital. The other letters in the name will be small letters. For examples, Anshu Gupta, Reena Sen. See how they are written? The first letter is always capital.
There are 5 special letters in the alphabet family. They are A, E, I, O and U. These are called vowels. The other letters are called consonants.
Now let's meet a special members of alphabets family, that is vowels. They are called vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. Come on, repeat with me, my dear students. Vowels A, E, I, O, U. These are called vowels and they are the 5 special letters in the alphabet family. Okay, and the other than these are called consonants. These are called vowels. The other letters are called consonants. Okay, how you will pronounce consonants? Vowels, consonants. Got it? जो अलग हैं AEIOU हैं, दे आर 5 वॉवेल्स, और उसके अलावा जो लेटर्स बच जाते हैं अल्फ़ाबेट फैमिली में उनको हम लोग बोलते हैं कॉन्सोनेंट्स. Got it? It's clear now? Okay. Now we will move to a small exercise.
Drag and drop.
Drag and drop.
Correct answer from the help box.
Students, drag and drop the correct answer from the help box. Arrange the name of these animals in alphabetical order. Which will come first? Let's check. Oh, good work. Next is, let's see. What comes? Next. We have to arrange all in an alphabetical order. Good work, students. Very smart. And the last one is tiger.
Good work.
Now check the score. Oh, 100%, all correct. Oh, it was fun, no, to learn about the alphabetical order, how to learn, how to write, in what way we have to write the name and the surname. So it was all fun, na? Okay, so we will meet in next class and we will be doing a small worksheet. Till then, do take care of yourself. God bless you, bachcha.